Right down.
Hi guys, Billy's here. Part 2 of Bonfire Night. This time I've actually got rockets and fireworks. Woohoo! That was awesome.
Look at it down the bay after it. Where's it going? Where's it going?
Hi guys.
There's a big thick one. Billy, there's a big thick one.
What
we just did.
What?
Oh no.
That's why I toxic waste.
I know. Oh, thick one. I'm having a look.
There's the moon.
Oh. I wonder when we're gonna get sparkles again.
That'll be after.
Yeah. We should put some sparkles in the pumpkin, like.
No, we're blowing the pumpkin up.
I know. What we want.
That's what we want.
You guys don't have it. Seriously.
Guys, do you like my hat? Shut up.
Well, Charlie, let me give you a tip. When you're on YouTube, you don't do that.
Yeah, go Rafe, what's this?
Anybody want a hot dog now?
Me!
Me. Got my hot dog. Biffy.
Yeah.
How am I going to
Put
do
your
this?
fingers down there all day today on that working on boat Amy on her own. Graphs on that boat, like. Jack and Amy.
Scraping the apple. What was Amy down there on the road?
On her own, yeah, he must be working. She was grafting like.
He was down there.
Oh, was he? When I was leaving this morning, she was.
Well, that was massive. Oh, I've got another firework. Hi, Biff. High five.
Rafey, have you got a hot dog, Rafey?
Yeah.
Have you got cakey?
Cakey.
Cakey, right.
Oh, that slims down there.
Well, does it? But text him, because I said I'd go down when Rafey was, you know. But Jem
Out the way!
was like, take Rafey to play again.
Out the way!
Yowzers, I'll be down about 10 o'clock if you're there. I'm already on my way, mate. It was at 9 o'clock. Whoa, that was a good one.
I'm putting my hat back on.
So I'm already on my way. He lives down there. Yeah. He lives down there, doesn't he?
You guys, I might not be filming anymore because my phone's running out of charge. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to the videos. And see you guys in the next video, which will probably be tomorrow. Bye.
I thought we'd